Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will explore contractions with the word will. Contractions are short forms of words that make our speech more natural and casual. Let's learn about the 6 main contractions used with will: I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, and they'll. Contractions are shortened forms of 2 words combined into one. The apostrophe replaces missing letters. For example, I will becomes I'll. This makes our speech sound more natural and flowing. Instead of saying 2 separate words, we combine them into one shorter form. This is very common in everyday English conversation. Here are all 6 contractions with will. I will becomes I'll and is used when talking about yourself. You will becomes you'll for the person you are speaking to. He will becomes he'll for a male person. She will becomes she'll for a female person. We will becomes we'll when you are part of a group. They will becomes they'll for other people or things. Notice that all forms add an apostrophe before double L. Now let's learn how to pronounce these contractions correctly. I'll sounds like the word I'll. You'll sounds like you'll, similar to the Christmas word. He'll and she'll sound like he'll, with the pronoun coming first. We'll sounds like we'll, and they'll sounds like they with an L sound added. The apostrophe removes the Y from will, making these contractions shorter and easier to say. Contractions with will are perfect for informal speech and casual conversations. Use them when texting friends, writing emails to people you know well, or posting on social media. They help you sound natural and friendly. However, avoid using contractions in formal situations like business letters, official emails, or academic papers. In those contexts, always use the full form, will, instead of the contraction. Let's look at positive statements using will contractions. I'll help you with your homework tomorrow. You'll love this new restaurant in town. He'll arrive at 5 p.m. She'll join us later. We'll visit the museum this weekend. They'll finish the project by Friday, and it'll be sunny tomorrow morning. These examples show how contractions fit naturally into sentences about future plans and promises. For negative statements, will not becomes won't. This is the only negative contraction with will, and it is very different from the pattern. Remember, it is not willn't. Will not transforms into won't completely. For example, I won't be late for the meeting. She won't forget your birthday. They won't travel during the rainy season. We won't have time to finish today. Use won't whenever you need to express a negative future action. When asking questions with will, the word order changes. Will comes before the subject, making contractions less common in the question itself. However, contractions appear in the answers. For example, you ask, will you come to the party? And the answer is yes, I'll be there. Or will she finish on time? With the answer, yes, she'll finish early. And will they help us tomorrow? Answered with, of course, they'll help. Notice how contractions appear in the response, not in the question. Here is a friendly conversation showing how contractions with will work in real life. Sarah asks, are you coming to the concert tonight? Tom responds, yes, I'll pick you up at 7 p.m. Sarah says, great, do you think Mike will join us? Tom answers, he'll probably come. He'll bring his sister too. Sarah says, perfect, we'll have a wonderful time together. Tom finishes with, yes, it'll be an amazing evening. This dialogue shows natural usage of contractions in everyday speaking. Let's look at common mistakes learners make. First mistake, writing I with an acute accent instead of an apostrophe. The correct form is I'll with an apostrophe, not I with an accent mark. Second mistake, forgetting the apostrophe entirely, writing shall instead of she'll. Always include the apostrophe. Third mistake, trying to create a contraction with will not as they'll not go. The correct form is they won't go. Remember, will not has a special contraction that breaks the pattern. Now it's time to practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct contraction. Question 1, I think rain tomorrow. The answer is it'll from it will. Question 2, meet you at the station. The answer is I'll from I will. Question 3, my parents arrive next week. The answer is they'll from they will. Question 4, be happy to see you. The answer is she'll from she will. Question 5, I promise all study together. The answer is we'll from we will. Question 6, he come to the party. The answer is won't from will not. Let's summarize the key points about contractions with will. First, there are 6 main forms: I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, and they'll. They all follow the same pattern. Second, use contractions in informal speech and writing, like conversations, text messages, and casual emails. Third, avoid contractions in formal situations like business letters and academic writing. Fourth, remember that will not becomes won't, which is different from the regular pattern. Practice regularly to master these contractions and sound more natural when speaking English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.